Well, hello everybody and welcome back to Lisa's Coloring Corner. Sally Berry came out with another new book. This one is called Country Farm Life. So here we have this adorable front cover and the back cover with a few images from inside the book. Oh my gosh, that is so adorable. Bella, stop. She tries to dig through my carpet. So let's take a look inside. We have the title page, our nameplate page, some apples. We always have a read this before you start. This kind of talks about, the therapy that coloring is, some tools that you can use, coloring mediums, coloring choice. They do have a color test page at the beginning, experience, and sharing your work, which is at the back of the book. Here we have the color test page, and then we get into the pictures themselves. As their other books are, it is on Amazon paper, single-sided with black on the reverse. There's that adorable one. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, that is so cute. I'll have to color that one. Even though I'm horrible at fur, you could still just, color it with marker and call it good. Nice country kitchen. Oh, look at that inviting porch. Now that's what you call fresh eggs. I've never seen a hen nursing. Oh my goodness. Nesting in a kitchen. Although, I guess it's not in a kitchen, is it? But why would you have flour outside? And a sifter. Another relaxing picture. Ooh, making preserves. Yum. Ooh, that's so cute. Gardening. The harvest of all the veggies. Here we have our cow. We have lots of them around here. Well, we have our cute kitty and duck down here. Looks like that one's about to fall off. Picture hanging on your wall of a cow. Oh, it's another cute one. Oh, that's adorable. Strawberries. Oh, that's cute too. Oh my gosh. There are some cute pictures in here. Another cute one. You can see some of these are simpler, and then some are a little bit more detailed. Some have this really nice thick black lines. Most of them do. Washing the clothes day. And we have our horsey. Clock home. Must be the chicken coop. And some donkeys. Nice country scene. And that is it. Then at the back, they always have this page if you want to download 10 extra images for free. All you have to do is join their Facebook group, at sallyberrycoloring.com. You can share your pictures, your completed pictures, on their Facebook group. Here is their social media information. You can review the product on Amazon. You can find them on Facebook at Sally Berry Coloring, Instagram Sally Berry Coloring, and YouTube. They do have a channel where they do show their new books, Sally Berry Coloring Books. Here we have a listing of all of their books, which is growing and growing. They have been really pumping out the books. You will have seen flip-throughs of many of these books on my channel. I don't think I have all of them, but most of them. And then thank you for being part of the Sally Berry family. So there you have it, Sally Berry's newest book, Country Farm Life. I will leave a link down below in the description, as usual, to this coloring book if you are interested in it for yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the flip through of Sally Berry's newest coloring book, Country Farm Life. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. I hope everybody's having a terrific day. And as always, happy coloring. Bye, guys.